Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a few different examples. We do have build videos that we need to do on all of these actually and kind of get caught up on the channel, but today we kind of wanted to go through something. All these vehicles are supporting products from Redarc, and they are our favorite power management systems on the market. We got their batteries, we got a few different things to kind of showcase and talk about. But let me introduce Brian Rush with Redarc. He is our contact, our know-it-all. Brian?
How you doing?
Good, man. Thanks for coming out.
Appreciate the invite.
Absolutely. So, as we talked about, all of these rigs do have Redarc.
Yes.
I feel like we have a really good example of what all Redarc can power. Mm-hmm. So we got off-road trailers, we got trays and canopies, we got full cargo management systems, and we got the skinny guy camper back behind us here. So can you tell us a little bit about Redarc? Who is Redarc? What's the history of the company?
Yeah, so the history of Redarc started in 1979. So we've been around for just over 45 years. Family-owned business, and the name Redarc actually came from the first couple products they developed, which was ignition systems and voltage converters. And the red spark the ignition systems made is why they named the company Redarc.
Okay, and then you guys are it's an Australian-based company.
Yes, so we're all Australian-based company, manufactured in South Australia. And then all the products from then up to now have mostly just been developed to get people off grid, but then also keep people safe, because you would imagine as you're crossing through Australia, it could get kind of rough through the central region. So you want to make sure that you have products that are dependable and keep you powered up. Understandable.
And you guys, have power management systems. You got inverters, BC/DC chargers, inverters, power management. Yeah. You guys have moved on to doing full batteries now as well.
Yeah, so we're getting into batteries. We're exploring more inverters and then solar line as well. We're kind of expanding on that. But we're also trying to expand using our products and just having complete power systems already pre-assembled and wired to help with, DIYers and wiring, and then also help with, just warranty.
Sure. One thing that we actually really like about Redarc is, you can mount it easy. It packs up easy. It's meant to be hidden or put up on a wall. Yeah. Just the footprint is nice. Something that we like with our builds. It's a very easy system to use. People could update it. Your old RedVision system, it allows you to go back in and change up the settings, kind of see what you want to do, look at anything from your Rogue system, where it is your controls for the whole system, yes, to monitoring the batteries, to temperature, to water tank levels, your TVMS systems. It's just a pretty wide range of options that you guys offer.
Yeah, there's quite a bit. All of our products we developed with keeping the user experience in mind. So simple and informative is kind of the goal. But then we also tried to develop our products in a small footprint, because you don't necessarily have a lot of space in a lot of applications. And then, you have more space for your camping gear and et cetera.
Sure. So. Well, let's dive into some of the systems.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Okay, let's dive into kind of what all this system entails. Again, we will do a full build video on this rig. It's probably one of our favorite 4Runners that we built. But let's dive into what all is encompassing, why we did this, and kind of what the client was asking for. So this thing does have a full air down gear up, full cargo management system, second row seat delete, which made our job a little bit easier with what to put where. Up on the side panel, this thing is tricked out with Redarc. So for the manager system, it does have the new Alpha 75 from Redarc that Brian can go into. It's got a 2,000 watt inverter from Redarc. It's got the Redarc Rogue and the RedVision system. So, and then an Alpha 150 amp hour battery powering everything. So the client wanted to do induction stovetops. He wanted to be able to run a fridge. So we went with one of our favorite fridges, National Luna, with their National Luna 50 liter setup. That's a dual zone fridge freezer. It does have an air compressor under the hood that we ran the line all the way to the back. And then we did a custom reel setup to where he can pull the reel out, air everything up. And then, yeah, it's the wiring turned out very clean and everything on this one. We've been very happy with it. Do you want to dive into the 75 or anything?
Yeah, so the newest Redarc product that's in here is the Alpha 75 Manager. Any of our Manager chargers will handle your AC, DC, and your solar charging. So it's got a 75 amp charger to charge off the alternator, solar, or he could plug it into grid power. It also has our Alpha 150 battery, which is an incredible battery, also heated with an onboard BMS. And then the induction cooktops is powered off our 2000 watt inverter, which does connect into our RedVision interface, in addition to our TVMS Rogue, which is allowing all the switching of devices, and then it monitors your power system. So you could simply just look at our display. It tells you what your power consumption is, how long it's going to last based off the consumption, how much solar you're getting throughout the day, and if there's anything wrong with the system, it'll alert you and let you know.
One other cool thing is it's all Bluetooth capable. So with the RedVision system, that's one thing that this client does have lighting on the inside. He's got some Kingpin, some Baja, different things. He can control that from his phone or from the panel, correct?
Yes, so everything is operated via Bluetooth or RedVision display. One really cool feature with the new Manager Alpha series is it's the first battery charger that takes care of all the batteries on the vehicle. So not only is that taking care of your auxiliary battery system, but it is monitoring your start battery, and you are able to charge your start battery from solar as well, or even jump your vehicle in the event you are to kill your start battery.
That's such a cool upgrade that you guys did to that.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the Gladiator. All right, Brian, moving on to the Gladiator. This was our company vehicle. We actually just sold it. The new owner is extremely stoked to get it. It is, unfortunately, is heading to Florida, I think. But we definitely hope to see it again. So we took this thing a little bit further and added some cues that he wanted on it. I think it turned out great. Curious what you think on it. But yeah, with the Redarc system, it is powering. We do have a water pump. We do have a water tank underneath. We do have hose connections and everything out the back now. It's got a 1000 watt inverter. It's got the RedVision system. It's got an ARB compressor. It's got an Alpha 150 battery. It's got a 200 watt solar panel, sure power connection, and then kind of custom other mods that we did that we thought would be very clean, like doing air lines on each side for easy tie-in. And that's one cool thing about these canopies is it does allow you to kind of build it out as you want and everything else. But this system made a lot of sense for this setup. And it kind of gives a whole nother outlook on how everything's done with being able to put all your components into one box.
Absolutely. So this system, it's a little bit smaller than the previous system we spoke about, but it's the perfect setup for what you would do in a canopy like this. It's got our 30 amp Manager system, which again, 30 amp charge rate, AC, DC, and solar charging. And then it's paired with our RedVision system to control all your devices through the TVMS Rogue. You can do things like water tank monitoring, turn your devices on and off. It even allows you to do dimming, so you could dim your lights when you're in your campsite as well. And then a 1000 watt inverter, which is perfect for keeping your devices powered, laptops charged, and etc. I think it's a great system and probably one of the most common systems we see in a setup like this.
Cool. Awesome. Let's move on to another Gladiator that, again, we will be doing a build video on it. So let's go dive into the Redarc system and talk about it a little bit more.
Let's go.
All right, Brian, kind of going into more of, let's look at some of your more compact systems. Skinny Eye Campers has been great with putting your systems in. That's one thing that we love about their campers and Turtleback trailers actually is they're using really high-end components. You're not gonna have something fail on you. Having a Redarc in there is always a plus. This thing actually started out with, he wasn't planning on doing a SGC setup, and so we added power to the back, and so we have 132 amp hours, a battery space tucked into a goose gear system here with your 1240 BC-DC charger.
Yeah.
So it kind of goes like in a little bit more compact system. That's a great yeah, just manage your system. If you're looking just to charge, you know, off your alternator, off your starter battery, it does have the battery monitor on there, where you know you can still look off your phone, check the health of your battery, see if everything's charging right. Cool system. But then we got a Manager 30, and this with your old school screen, we keep on telling them that they need to upgrade to the RedVision, which is a possibility, correct?
Absolutely, yeah. So there's two different things going on. Starting with the vehicle, there's a BCDC 1240D, which is our DC to DC charger. It's the most common. It's been around probably about 15 years at this point. And it was like our core product on allowing people to get dual battery systems under the hood. It's tested and proven all throughout the Australian outback. We've even seen these things come loose and hang under a vehicle and drag on the ground, and they still continue to work. They're absolutely amazing. The really cool part about the BCDC 1240D, and it also comes in 25 and 50 amp charge rates, is there is an MPPT solar controller built into that as well. So when your vehicle's off and you're just boondocking or you want to put some solar panels out, your battery system will continue to charge without relying on the vehicle. And then from there, it's paired with our battery monitor, which isn't required, but it gives you visibility. So then you could always just pull out your phone and it'll tell you exactly how long your battery is going to last, what it's charged at to, 0 to 100%, and then it even tells you things like battery temperature and etc. And then outside of the vehicle dual battery system, the Skinny Guy camper has our Manager 30 system, which again handles your AC, DC, and solar charging. And then it's got our traditional display, I'll call it, which is more of black and white screen, but still gives you all the same information, just not the colored RedVision display that we have now.
That's fair. That's fair. You know, it's a lot packed into one. So, you know, we got 264 amp hours of battery on this. He's got options to put his fridge in the back, plug in pretty easy, charge other components going on the road. And what is the 1240 and the 1225 and the 1250? It was like 5 wires to hook up.
Yes.
Compact, clean, really clean setup, just especially with like on something with the goose gear.
Absolutely.
Cool. Well, let's move on to Turtleback trailers.
Cool.
Okay, kind of going into Turtleback trailers, we are excited to be a dealer for them and kind of be for the Rocky Mountain region. They are the most off-road capable trailer that the U.S. has made, in our opinion. It's finally something that competes very well with what Australia has to offer. It's made in Tennessee. They've been around for a while, and the new owners, Josh, with Sam, that they're the right-hand man. It's just a phenomenal company to work with, and we couldn't be happier with the setups. So right here, we do have the Expedition trailer. We do have a Getaway trailer here as well. And it's something that gives you kind of 2 different platform options, but one thing that they do have in common, again, is it's all Redarc. And they're actually switching to a Redarc inverter here coming up as well. But what do we have here, Brian? We have Redarc, we have the RedVision, we got the Rogue system, we got the Manager 30s, and then both options kind of have a few different battery capacities.
Yes.
Everything that this thing's powering on this rig, you got a 42-gallon water tank, you got a water pump, you got a water filtration system, you got your fridge freezer, you got all the aux lighting, you got your water tank heater. There's quite a bit going on with it, and then water tank levels. You know, you can monitor everything with the Redarc system.
Absolutely. Yeah, so I had the pleasure to drive one of these to Oregon a while back, and it was a real pleasure to have.
They actually track really well, don't they?
They track really well, and it's just a fun little camper. You barely know you're towing it, and then the water capacity and just the system or the design of this trailer, you could tell there's been a lot of thought behind it. And we are thankful that Redarc is in it, just because I feel like it goes great with their brand quality. And basically what's in it is, again, the Manager 30, like we've shown in a couple of the other vehicles. It's like the staple. Like the Manager 30 is probably one of the best products for smaller systems, under 400 amp hours. But it's paired with our Rogue system, which is handling all the switching, water pumps, It's tracking the level of the water tank, so it tells you how full or empty it is, and then all your lighting as well. And then that's connected to a RedVision display, which gives you full control and then visibility on what your battery state of charge is and how long it's going to last. There's some solar inputs on the side of the trailer to add some Redarc solar panels, which they included with the trailer, or the one I borrowed at least. And then currently it has a Xantrex inverter, but we are working with them on possibly getting a Redarc inverter installed into the unit as well. And you should hopefully see that coming towards the end of the year.
That's awesome. So this is the Expedition. We have the Getaway over here as well. That's got 21 gallons, but it's the same kind of build out, same kind of components, same offering. For the most part, you don't get the fridge freezer, but again, it's all powered by Redarc. Both have showers. It's just kind of base camp, and again, being able to power everything from Redarc is that a plus. All right, Brian, thank you very much for coming out. It's always a pleasure. We are going to have a good showing up at Mountain West again with Redarc, with SGC. Our booth will have plenty of Redarc examples, showing Turtleback trailers. We'll have a few different Turtleback. We may actually have a rig, if the client allows it, in y'all's booth as well. So excited about that. And hopefully this kind of gives you a good rundown of everything Nomad's about.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us, and let me spend some time to check out your guys' build.
Yeah.
I will say that after spending some time going through it, your attention to detail is exceptional, and we really appreciate your support.
Awesome, dude. Appreciate it.
Thank you.